Wow. That is absolutely stunning.
So yeah, let's see what it's like on the dyno, isn't it?
Let's go for it. Well, let's get this. To be fair, it's not a bad exhaust for a stocker, is it? But that
value for money. See, I just paid for it as well.
Thanks, Dad.
Steve. I get a check and it's litty. Steve. I get to the cash in the jiffy. Hop in the whip and I land to the bank. Pull up the chase and order some franks. I'm bigger Hans when it comes to the cake. There ain't no limit like I got a tank.
4.69, so we'll just say 4.7 kilos for the stocker.
That's a wrap.
So, combined, the can is 1.3, and the rest of it, the link and header, is 1.1, so that makes it 2.4. So we've saved 2.5 kilos, haven't we there? Bingo, bango.
Yeah, she wanna give me the box. Nah, I ain't talking about U-Haul. I got two baddies on me. They win a three-way like a Zoom call. The money is tall, taco fall. You know I ball like I'm Paul. You still in the Drew League. I'm Mr. Fendi, I never rock Gucci. I'm wearing Gucci, Christopher Wallace. I got some racks, ain't talking about closets. I got some racks, can't fit in my pockets. Stay with that rocket, no auto.
That looks so freaking good. Let's hope it lives up to its looks on the dyno. Well, if you can't be fast, look fast. Wow. Right, dyno.